I leave for Mumbai in a bit. Am I prepared? No. Do I have a plan? No. Do I have anything at all in place? No. But am I going? Yeah. I'm thinking about how this uncertainty doesn't affect me that much anymore. Like, if this was me 2 years ago, I'd be going crazy over, oh my god, I don't know, blah, blah, blah. But now I'm just like spinning like a ballerina. Last time I was in Mumbai, I was living in a 3 BHK with 2 flatmates. This time I have an Airbnb. Feeling excited, I'm feeling hopeful. But when I was coming here, I was at a signal and I was feeling really like, oh, am I doing the right thing? What am I doing back here again? And then I looked outside the window and there was this tree आणि ट्रीच्या खाली हनुमान चालीसा ठेवला होता and in one branch there was a plastic Hanuman असा, you know, and I just felt like it's so easy to feel unimportant and unloved and unwanted, but we're all so special. Sometimes I just feel like nothing really matters because we're so tiny in like the grand scheme of things.
की आज एक पूर्ण तू यूट्यूब व्हिडिओ बनवला असेल तू ऍक्टिंग काय करते
इंडस्ट्री में जो सबसे ग्लैमर
You just spoke. Doing stuff in a sari is just, I feel super duper powerful. Divine feminine energy. One thing that is not undecided in my life is undecided. Sometimes you're so focused on that one thing that you want to happen that you just disregard everything else that is actually happening for you. I was just at Anamnagar for, you know what, an audition.
सबका एक नया
That's me. That's literally me.
ये इसके पहले वाला ब्लॉग का कंटिन्यूटी है पहले वाला ब्लॉग में जो आराम से आपने देखा
Feeling heavy because it was a little intense. Fixing my gut health. Just made some urad dal, tur dal, moong dal dosas. I would say this dosa is a splattering success. I don't think everyone realizes how everything is connected to your gut. So you gotta get those good bacteria up and thriving, and you gotta get those bad bacteria out. So that you can actually trust your gut, because if the bad bacteria is telling you what to do, then you can't even listen to your gut anymore, you know. And we're also having khichdi. Look who is here.
Hi.
New day, new Airbnb. I sometimes do think about why am I putting myself through all of this, but then I just realize how much I enjoy all of this, and it's not really about the goal, although it is about the goal a little bit, but it's just fun, you know, sometimes. And if I don't do it now, then when? Going out for a bunch of auditions. Yesterday I also had some audition work and I was just having such a horrible day. Like, I just couldn't feel things. Rehearsals ho gaye, ab shoot karenge. This makes me so happy. Just came back. Spider! I feel like crying a lot because I'm also PMSing a little bit. This is also a really big part of this whole process because every day you go out, you present yourself, you perform, you do all these things to be judged and to improve and all of that. But you know, I'm rehearsing something that I have to do tomorrow. Very emotional scene. But I'm feeling super emotional anyway, so maybe I can just use that. Yes, a new day. एक ऑडिशन हो चुका है और मैं obviously हो चुका है, मैं बैठी हूँ till my cab gets here. Just thinking about the number of times I've done an audition, I've come back home, I've talked to the person, and then they've been like, you're in the top 2 and like it's just you and this one other girl. I've told my mom and I'm like, अरे फक्त मी आणि अजून एक person आहे. Literally I'm meeting the director, आता होऊन जाणार आहे. I've met with people and just like something or the other has come up and it hasn't gone through. No, so many times I just imagine that you remember that picture of like there's this guy who's like digging, and then there's one person who gives up and turns back and the other person is like digging and the gold is like right there. So today we're shooting a what's in my bag. There's a cat in my bag.
Hi guys. तो तू full day vlog कर रही है कि
नहीं, मैं ऐसा कर रही हूँ कि मुंबई अगेन
question mark?
treated myself to a staycation for God knows what reason. I'm working only. I've realized that a lot of the things that people call work, I don't call work. The last thing that I called work was what I did at Accenture like 2 years ago, where I was like clocking in a 9 to 5. Since then, everything that I've been doing is technically work, but I'm just like, life. Yeah, I have stuff to do. It's just life. When your view is a building.
Global. I'm gonna stop.
Enjoying. Sometimes I sit and think, where did this dream come to me from? Because I spent like 12 years of my childhood in England, far away from films and movies and far away from all of that. Then I came back to India. I went on stage to perform, to dance or something like that, and I just loved it so much that I didn't stop. I was vlogging and talking to the camera since I was like 7 years old.
In the recording before, I showed you half of the current song. Now I'm going to show you the full.
And it just became like a second nature to me. Talking to the camera, being in front of the camera, doing all of these things, performing, dancing. It just became like it just became me. And then it's like, but where did this influence come from? And then I remember.
कल्याणच्या आनंदजी पासून सगळे गेले देवानंदकडे आणि त्यांना म्हटलं की असं ते खैके पान बनणाऱ्या समाला ती ट्यून आहे ती आम्ही वापरू का हा म्हटलं वापरा मला ती आवडलेलीच नाही म्हटलं म्हणून मी त्या पिक्चर मध्ये नाही घेतली.
I would like to end this here and say, follow your heart, follow your dreams, and don't give up. बोलायला सोपं असतं पण hang in there.